This is the Nye DSS dust suppression system. Custom designed for an underground tunneling project in Toronto. The customer requested a powerful, high-volume system with individually controlled stream or fog nozzles. Designed to control heavy dust generated by hammer, saw, and road header operation, the system has a maximum design flow rate of 400 gallons per minute at 100 psi. Contact Nye for all your custom heavy equipment needs. Our engineers have decades of experience, and we are eager to put our expertise to work for you. For more information on custom attachments and specs, visit our website or call 905-897-2311.
Please like, subscribe, and share.